So guys, in this video we will learn about ILOC, right? So you already learned about the lock. So if you know the row name and column name, in that case you can obviously use this lock, but assume you don't know the row name and column name, right? So in that case you can use the ILOC. ILOC means indexing. You just need to use the index, like from which position to which position you want to print. So for example, if you wanna print only the first row with all the columns, in that case you just need to write ndf2.iloc, and then in the box bracket you just need to write 0, which will indicate the first row, and 4. Okay, so it will print the first it will print actually the 0th row, 4th column value. So it has this 0th row, that means where is the row actually, I missed that. So I'll just print ndf2 over here. Yeah, so this is the 0th row and it will print the value. Okay, let me paste it. Yeah, so it will print the value of 0th row and 4th value. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that means it will print this value. Okay, 0.2516 something something. So if I run it, you can see it is printing this value, right? 0.251629 till the end. Okay, so similarly you can also set a range. For that you just need to write ndf2.iloc, and in the first box bracket you obviously need to write the range of rows, and in the second box bracket you obviously need to write the range of columns, right? So assume we want a range of like 0, 5, and for columns we want like 0, 2. Okay, so it will print this first 5 rows with a and a, b and c. Okay, so we don't need to write a, b, c, right? If the column name is something else, we also don't need to write the column name. Suppose we don't know the column name, in that case we use this indexing. So if I run it, now you can see it is printing 0 and 5 and a and c. Okay, that is because we didn't put any range, we only put the index of that row, like 0 is the row and the 5 is the row. Okay, similarly here the 0 is the column and 2 is the columns, that's why it printed the 0th row and 5th row, and similarly it printed the 0th column and the second column, or you can say 2 index column, that is c. Okay, so do remember this thing, that if you put 0, 5, that doesn't mean that it will print all the rows between 0 and 5. It will print only those particular rows which is 0 and 5. So if you want to print 3 rows, you can just name it. So 0, 5, 1. Okay, so it will print the 0th row, the one row, the 1 indexed row, and the 5 indexed row. Okay, so you can see it printed these things. Okay, so it is actually a certain values which row will print and which row will not print. It is not, you cannot use this from and to method over here. Okay,